how to change the DNS, or that means your name server, to connect your FastPanel to your another domain. So you can easily just, after adding the domain, you can see here click the domain or DNS. You can DNS record. The DNS record, this is our main domain. This is our main domain, and our name server is this, and our name server 2 is this. So you have to add privately your domain, the private server, that means this IP, and you need to add, this is your NS1 to this IP, NS2 this same IP. Then you can add your NS1 and NS2 to any domain. So to connect any domain to your server, this application, this FastPanel, you can add this domain. This is a name server. You can use all of your main domain to use the others domain. Suppose you are using 30 domain in this, or 40 domain in this FastPanel, so your server, so you can use here this is your main name server, this is your name server 2, so 1 and 2. So the other 30 domain name server is NS1 this and NS2 this. So I have installed to your custom name server. You have to install application. So go the site setting application. You need to install this bind package, bind 9, this application name. When you install this, so you can easily handle the name server of the custom name server. That means your own name server you can use here. No need to use others name server. You can use your custom name server for your website, for your application. Take here, or you can use the Cloudflare. It's Cloudflare when you use. So here you can handle a equal a, and the port, the IP name is this. This is IP. I hope this is IP, and this is A. This is A, and same for www, the port 2. This is the main domain, the IP. I hope you will got this. The mail domain, the to DNS setup, the Cloudflare is different. I will show you how to add the DNS server. I hope you will get understand. Thank you.